Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent again, and wow, we've got another Suzuki Jimny. I think altogether we've got about 8 Suzuki Jimnys currently available for purchase and export out of Japan to the UK. So I'm going to be trying to be fairly quick with this video. I want to try and get a lot of information over. So for those of you who've listened to this before, I apologise beforehand, but either turn off the sound and just watch the video. But basically this particular one is a 2025 September registered in Japan, and it's a Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra 1.5i automatic. This is 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio, and it's done delivery mileage from the factory gate. So this comes with LED headlights and headlight washers. It's got front fog lights, power heated folding door mirrors with built-in indicators. It's got privacy glass, 15-inch alloy wheels, front and side airbags, ABS. It's got brake assist, cruise control, traction control. It's got lanes protection, hill descent, leather steering wheel, heated front seats. It has 2 proximity keys, and it's got a push button start on the dashboard. So when you study these vehicles, you'll notice a very high spec. You never saw them in the UK with this level of specification. So as you can see, it's brand new. The photos of the chassis underneath, you can see in khaki green. Khaki green was never supplied in the UK, and neither was grey. But they did supply them in black, white and silver, I think mostly over here. Anyhow, as I say, I provide the opportunity for my customers to appoint me as their agent. This is done from my website, Jap-Auto-Agent.co.uk. And once you've appointed me as your agent, I am now working for my customer. That's you. And I'm providing you the opportunity, by leading you by the hand through the process, to buy these cars in Japan at the export trade price. Fundamentally, the person that funds the car from the Japanese port to the port of Southampton is the one that gains the financial benefit. These cars go up in value for every week they are at sea in transit to the UK. So if you're getting the opportunity to buy the car at the export trade price, the same price that I would pay, then you are going to be saving somewhere in the region of £5,000 on the UK retail price. I think that's a minimum, in fact. So as you can see, these are brand new. So this process starts by my export companies who I'm associated with in Japan producing an invoice in my customer's name in Japanese yen. I introduce my customers to UK-based foreign currency exchange services that give very competitive exchange rates. They will compete. So having got a decent rate of exchange, you can then arrange for the transfer. And this first major payment will come to approximately 14 to 15,000 today, depending upon the colour of the car. Colours make a difference on the prices. So this first payment is to cover the cost of the car while it's in transit from Japan to the UK. Now, I also recommend to my customers that they should take out individual marine cargo insurance to cover the vehicle while it's at sea in transit to the UK. On arrival in the UK, our customs clearance agent, who is also based in Southampton, will gather together the amounts required for the shipping charges, the duty and the VAT, the port handling, that's unloading the car off the ship, and their fees for actually carrying out the administration of the customs clearance. My customers make one payment to them in sterling pounds to their NatWest account in Southampton, and they make all the payments on my customer's behalf. Then the car's cleared customs. This process can be done within 24 to 48 hours. The next step is that We have a garage also in Southampton who they will go to the bondage yard and collect the car. They can walk to the bondage yard. They will have pre-booked or pre-requested an appointment for an IVA test at the local Southampton IVA testing centre. This is a government test. It's a visual inspection on the vehicle. So they will go and collect the car, bring it back and convert the speedo to miles per hour and accommodate a fog light to the rear of the vehicle. They will present the car at the station at the appointed time and supervise it through the test. Once the car has passed the test, the documentation can then go off to the DVLA for registration, and a registration number will be produced, and then the car is on the road. So this is not a fast process. We have been doing this now for over 21 years, so we've got a long proven track record. I have supplied thousands of cars to customers throughout the whole of the UK. So if anybody wants to ask any more questions about this process, feel free to pick the phone up and just give me a call. There's no obligation. I don't expect everybody to. It's not for everybody, this process, but you will save a large amount of money on the same car that you would buy here in the UK. And I'm losing track of the volume of the Jimnys we're supplying at the moment, because it's currently, I think we probably will have at any time over a 2-month period 30 Suzuki Jimnys going through the process. And by that I mean vehicles that are leaving Japan either on 4 different ships that in transit, and with the garage in Southampton going through the process of being IVA tested and registered at the DVLA. So it's always a good idea to plan well in advance for timing. But if you wish to, as I say, learn more about it, get in touch with me. My name is Paul. I look forward to speaking to you. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.